first ever G-Class BRABUS Cabriolet. This here is made all by BRABUS in-house. One of my favorite highlights. Yo, look at this. There's actually ambient colors on the side over here. So cool. Wow, BRABUS has come to a level of absolute perfection. It takes up to 20 seconds to close and or open, and this is all made by BRABUS themselves. And here it is, guys. Today I'm welcoming you all with a new BRABUS, and as you can already see, we have all new G-Class here, but as soon as I move all the way to the side, you can already see something quite exciting. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the first ever G-Class BRABUS Cabriolet based on the Mercedes-AMG G63, and in today's video I want to show you everything about it. I mean, Mercedes has announced it a few months ago at the IAA in Munich that a cabriolet version of the G-Class is coming, but BRABUS was already working on it, and here it is. Based on the Mercedes-AMG G63, BRABUS has decided to give us the G800 Cabriolet here, which is highly limited. It's limited to 50 pieces only, and this is the first one. Today I will be walking you through, showing you all the exterior highlights, show you the inside, and maybe we'll finish it off with a sound check. As soon as you face the G800 here, looks like a normal one, right? But as soon as you move all the way to the side, you can see that in the back we have quite a lot of changes, and this here is made all by BRABUS in-house. We have a full cover here covering the soft top. There's a soft top all the way closing the top here. Roof is all open and accessible, as you can see, is so cool. And when talking about the dimensions, it's actually same wheelbase. So they haven't extended the wheelbase, they even haven't shortened the wheelbase, and the doors are still same size. Quite interesting attempt by BRABUS. I mean, there have been quite a lot of G-Class cabriolets from aftermarket tuners, but this one for me is the best. As usual, coming in all black, finished in BRABUS spec, blacked out. Lovely finish. Let's get on and let's start with a tour. But before we do that, let me show you the engine. Watch this. Here we go. Revealing the 4-liter V8. Here we go. It's completely tuned by BRABUS. We have new turbochargers giving us a total output of 800 horsepower, where with the stock one we're talking about 585 horsepower. I mean, this is quite cool upgrade in terms of performance, and I really hope that we will be also seeing a 900 version coming with a 4.5 liter modified BRABUS engine. Let's see if we will see that in the future. Really cool. The engine cover is all finished in carbon fiber, and we have a golden finished BRABUS plaque here with the signature of Jörn Gander, Mr. BRABUS himself. He's actually the crazy guy that had the idea of building this car, and I have to say, I love it. We have the BRABUS white body kit in exposed carbon fiber gloss all around. It's all up to you. You can also get that in body color. Here, finished in exposed carbon fiber, looks quite fantastic. In addition to the black gloss finish, gives a nice and cool contrast here. We have absolutely gorgeous looking 24-inch BRABUS wheels here. Monoblock ZM, if I'm not mistaken. Let's have a closer look. Yes, 24-inch forged, full black gloss finish. Lovely, it's one of my favorite. In the front, as you can see, we have the additional parts by BRABUS, all real carbon fiber made in Germany. BRABUS details all around, finished to perfection. This actually, I mean, there's an air intake here, so it's real, but this is just an extension which comes on top of the bonnet. Here on the front grille, as you can see, it's highly modified. We have an additional carbon fiber frame. The so-called AMG Panamericana grille is full black glossed out, and we have the BRABUS signature stripes on it. The front, as you can see, is all finished in carbon fiber with the additional body kit. BRABUS emblems all around the car. Yeah, and this is something that I really, really like. Even here we have the additional parts matching with the grille. Just look at that, something I really like. And the headlights. Wow, this is a proper spec. I mean, with this car, we shouldn't be talking about the front, we should be talking more about the rear. Something quite interesting is that we have the illuminated exhaust tips here, which back in the days only came with the Rocket 900G models. With this one here being the Cabriolet, we also have them. It's quite cool. And there's also an additional thing that I have to mention. As soon as you open up the door, watch this. Yeah, Brabus illuminated on the grounds, quite cool. One of my favorite highlights. This being all covered up, I will be showing you how the cover opens and closes in a second. Before I do that, let me just show you the rear. A lot of carbon fiber details all around. Instead of having the spare tire in the back with the Cabriolet, they just put the Brabus cover finished in carbon fiber. We have the Brabus lettering 800 badge on the side, and we can already see a bit of the interior. This looks really cool. Let's get on and let's start talking about that as well. Before we do that, I have to mention one thing in specific. For this G-Class Cabriolet, Brabus has developed their own soft top opening and closing mechanism. So with the other aftermarket tuners, it's actually a mechanism that they copy pasted from old models. With this model here, Brabus has managed to do their own soft top closing and opening mechanism. It's quite interesting, really cool. The way they did it is absolute perfection. On the C-pillar here, as you can already see, and most of you have noticed, full finished in carbon fiber, giving me a lot of Targa vibes here, also here close on the top all around. Yeah, let me just remove the cover here for you for a second. Here we go. So now you can see the full exposed view. I mean, Brabus, just in terms of aesthetics, has put an additional cover, which is optional. I mean, you can put it if you like it, especially when you drive the car with open top. I would highly prefer putting that top. Here you can see the soft top. This is all built by Brabus. It's quite cool. I mean, there is no G-Class Cabriolet, and this is the first ever one by Brabus. Quite cool. Soft tops all finished in black. As you can see, the material is water resistant, and yeah, actually as soon as you close it, there's also an additional glass which is also heated. This is a proper Brabus masterpiece. Brabus has decided to go with a nice, it's not white, it's like a cream beige bright leather tone here. Masterpiece interior made in Bottrop at the Brabus headquarters. And on top, as you can see, to have no reflections, they've decided to go with a very bright brown color tone. I have to say, this looks absolutely fantastic. You can also see that all around here on the door panel. We have the Brabus lettering, the perforations, the stitching, the attention to detail of Brabus leather works and interior finishing is absolutely stunning, I have to say. Flat bottom AMG based steering wheel with the Brabus double B here instead of the Mercedes-Benz star. The seats, however, is something very cool I have to mention, come with the air scarf, as you can see here underneath the headrest. This is actually something that Mercedes only puts on their, let's say, S Cabriolet, SL Cabriolet models. Brabus has decided to put it here in the G-Class Cabriolet as well, all made by themselves. This is so cool. Air scarf for G-Class Cabriolet by Brabus, the G800. I mean, this seat here, just have a closer look. Brabus masterpiece badge here with the signature of CEO Konstantin Buschmann. Then we have the perforation on the leather. It's different sizes. And then we have the Brabus double B here on the center. To have this perfectly centered and well aligned is just art, I have to say. The piping, the stitching, the contrast, the Brabus lettering, the emblems all around the car is just so cool. The gas and brake pedals actually finished in carbon fiber. There's just a few things that I don't like. For example, this here, finished in plastic. Also here, also finished in plastic, but apart from that, everything else is finished in either carbon fiber or leather. Let me jump inside and show you a bit more. So we are right inside the G-Class Cabriolet. This is the key. It's quite cool, also with the Brabus leather all around. Let me just start the ignition for you. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. And then just press another time. We have the steering wheel buttons coming alive with a cool animation here. You can change the driving mode. We'll just switch it all the way up to Sport Plus. All around the interior, I have to say, Brabus has done an amazing job. And the back seats is actually the same dimensions and size of the regular G-Class. And yo, look at this. There's actually ambient colors on the side over here. So cool. lovely. We also have the Burmester speakers on top over here. And honestly, this interior and finish of the total conversion is Mercedes-Benz OEM standard level. Brabus has done an amazing job in terms of quality and finishing. I couldn't tell if it's made by Brabus or by Mercedes from factory. I really like the way they did it here. Yeah, this is how it looks like sitting in the back. It's additional 3 seats, it's all up to you. There's plenty of space here. In terms of headspace, unlimited. Sky is the limit actually, yeah. No pun intended. The seats, finishing, leather is quite cool. The only thing I don't like about Brabus interiors is the seat belts. Just put Brabus seat belts. I don't like the standard ones. This doesn't match the overall aesthetics. But all in all, I mean, the interior looks absolutely fantastic. The exhaust tips already looking at us. The Brabus lettering here on the ground. I mean, wow. Brabus has come to a level of absolute perfection. I love it. So this is how the interior looks like. As soon as I've set the ambient colors all around, looks so cool. And there's one simple detail I have to show you before we start with something else. And it's the roof opening and closing button right over here. We will be doing that now. As soon as you push it, it actually closes and opens. It's quite special. Let's get all the way out and watch how we open and close it. Okay, now we will be closing the soft top. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Watch this. It takes up to 20 seconds to close and or open. As you can see, it's quite cool the way that carbon fiber piece moves up. And then we have the soft top closing here. And this is all made by Brabus themselves. Just watch the carbon fiber piece cover the soft top again. This is how the car looks when closed. This glass here in the back is actually heated. Okay, now we will be opening the soft top. 3, 2, 1, let's go. This is so cool. So it takes up to 20 seconds opening and closing, and this is how it looks completely opened up. And then you can put the additional cover by Brabus. It's all up to you. This looks absolutely fancy. I love it. The price of this one is at 750,000 euros without taxes and limited to 50 pieces worldwide. What do you guys think? Would you take or pass on the G-Class Cabriolet, the G800 here? Leave it in the comment section below. Okay, now to finish off the video, we will be doing a sound check, starting up the G800 Cabriolet. 3, 2, 1, let's go.